All right, so this video is for after your deep cleaning or your scaling and root planing. The two things that you'll be leaving with today are Motrin 800 as well as a mouthwash called Paradex. The Motrin 800 is used for any soreness that you might be feeling after the procedure and after the numbness wears off. It's completely normal to still feel sore after the deep cleaning, okay? The Paradex is a mouthwash used to help the gum tissue heal as well as clean out any of the last bacteria that may be remaining after your deep cleaning. This is going to help make sure that everything continues to heal in the right direction for you.
And then the big thing that we need to do is get you back 4 times a year for the next 2 years, okay? Once you've had periodontal disease and needing that deeper cleaning, you're at high risk to develop it again. And so we definitely need to make sure that we get you back on track, seeing you more frequently so that we can make sure that you don't develop the disease again.